Have you ever worried about someone recording you and or having a hidden camera in your house? Well, this tool right here lets you see if there's any cameras and any lights and any screens and any mirrors. This right here is the ultimate. You can switch it to anything you want. You can switch it to camera mode, which should detect any camera. Let's say it works once you close that. This right here has it all. I'm telling you right now, listen, this device can help keep you safe, can help people putting weird videos about you on the internet while you stay at a hotel or something. I'm telling you, this device right here is key. I'm telling you, it's not that expensive. This is military grade. This is the high dollar one, and it's on sale right now. So I highly, highly suggest you go and get one.